Welcome, today in front of me Galaxy A14 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So let's just first open the Google app and then tap on the right upper corner, then go to the settings and click to voice section, then tap to voice match, and to activate Hey Google feature we should click once on this switcher. After that, tap to next, click to yes I agree, tap to continue, not now, and now we can see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.